So about 10,000 people has been killed during a devastating earthquake which occurred in Myanmar the day before yesterday at about 11 a.m. Myanmar time. A lot of pungent smelling flowers have been grown inside the temple premises, which is being maintained through the charity money from secular pilgrims around the world, which belongs to different caste, creed and color. But in fact these people have trespassed the territory of Mother Goddess, who lived 21 light years away from Earth One, as a challenging behavior, so that she will act in a very violent manner on Earth One and destroy this Earth completely. But ultimately these groups have to be eradicated from Earth One, and NASA, US Army, JPL, SpaceX, Israel Army, Russian Army, China's Army, other kind of organizations who are very intellectual and very devoted towards Earth survival are taking into consideration. International Space Station has already completed its tenure, and each month various booster rockets are sent to extend its orbit to thermosphere about 419 kilometers away from Earth One. But ultimately one of the leak is still existing, and the contraction expansion of its metals, which is continuously going on from 2011, and it extends to about minus 150 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius, due to which it will be thrashed or dismantled into pieces. And for that it is possible that NASA will send any rocket to bring it back slowly towards any safe ocean. MH370 search has been started again, because 37 seconds the knob was pushed towards communication off position. It was not totally shut down. Altitude was not provided for 37 seconds, but geographical location was diminished after that, and it turned extreme left, which could have never be possible through autopilot, due to which manual intervention or hijacking is being assumed again, and after 10 years the search will start again. At least this building is known as real life development in any sense, and through mass hysteria of LED lights and LASIKs, other kind of contact lenses which are being imported from China, different kind of bribery, corruption, and logos superimpositions are being carried out throughout the country. Highly IQ people and subscribers used to understand each and every word. So I have to pray before Bharat Baba also. Any poor political leader might have installed or erected a monkey picture in a desperate demand to save the environment, and must have followed PETA official also, means the original PETA page. So I have to turn towards the left because of pungent smelling shaped LED lights, a different kind of a tulip flower which was not existing millions of years ago, but it will definitely lead to mass extinction, due to which its own eradication is the need of the different kind of pungent smelling flower logo. Ice cream containers have been scattered here and there also by mosque demolition group. Ultimately they want mass extinction, which is not possible at all, because all of these organizations will eliminate themselves only. Durga's official number 100, and half of the day has been challenged again and again that do whatever you like, destroy this kind of temples. We are always ready to protect them, even if there are no enemies at all. Thanks a lot for joining my broadcast.